Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can see Gcash account number. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to see your Gcash account number, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Gcash. So once you open your Gcash on your mobile device, log in using your 4-digit MPIN or biometrics. Then on the home screen, simply tap on the profile picture or name at the top left hand side of the corner. After doing this, your Gcash registered mobile number will be shown just below your name. So once it is shown, this is your Gcash account number. So by simply going and following these simple easy steps, you can find out or see your Gcash account number easily. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this.